As we delve deeper into ancient Egypt, we discover its rich tapestry of culture, art, and writing. The hieroglyphics tell stories of their beliefs and daily lives. In contrast, the Sumerians thrived in an innovative society marked by trade and agriculture, establishing one of the first forms of writing known as cuneiform, which revolutionized communication and record-keeping. So what is the oldest civilization in history? In third place, we have ancient Egypt. This civilization thrived along the Nile River in Egypt and was founded in 3100 BC, making it over 5,000 years old. In second place is the Indus Valley Civilization. It existed along the Indus River in Pakistan and northwestern India. Finally, in first place is the Sumerian Civilization, which existed in Mesopotamia in modern-day Iraq. This civilization is believed to have emerged around 4000 BC, making it the oldest known civilization in the world. The search for the oldest civilization takes us to Mesopotamia, often referred to as the cradle of civilization, where complex societies began to flourish around 3500 BCE, marked by remarkable advancements in writing, agriculture, and urbanization. In this vibrant marketplace, traders exchanged goods, showcasing the economic intricacies of these early societies, while cuneiform tablets recorded everything from agreements to literature, providing us invaluable insights into their lives. Central to Mesopotamian culture were powerful kings who ruled over vast city-states like Ur, where monumental structures reflected their grandeur and authority, symbolizing the central role of leadership in the development of complex societies. The iconic Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, hinted at the architectural genius and ambition of the time, while astronomers began mapping the stars, laying the groundwork for future scientific exploration.